Hi everyone, it's Susie Petroff, Susie Home Seller with Texas Pride Realty Group under the brokerage of HomeSmart Stars. I am here today at 3020 Stonehenge Lane in Carrollton near the Addison border. This is a 2,408 square foot townhome, 2-bed, 2.5 bath. Both bedrooms are en suite. It is move-in ready for basically $160 a square foot, and you will not find a move-in ready home in this good of condition anywhere in this area for that price point. This is the primary suite. There are actually two primaries. This one has a little bit larger bathroom, and it has 2 walk-in closets. This one has built-in storage. Storage is abundant in this house, as you can see. This is the laundry room, which has built-in storage, and off to the side, it has a full-sized walk-in closet. As I said, both bedrooms are primaries. This one is kind of cool because it has a built-in office. So come see me today at 3020 Stonehenge Lane in Carrollton. I'll be here till 2.